Welcome to the Elite Training video. In this video we will illustrate how to reposition your aircraft in the Elite software. Let's begin by launching the Elite software. Next we select the aircraft. And then the area. Once loaded, we need to go to the map screen, either by using the Alt-M or right-clicking on the instrument panel to bring up the menu and select Map. If we look to the right section of the screen, we're going to click on a button called Repos, that is short for repositioning. This next window, on the top area, you will select the nav area required, and next select the airport or runway from the list. In this case, we're looking for Orlando International, runway 35 right. Code name is MCO, and now we select the runway desired, in this case 35 right, then press the choose button on the top right corner of this box. We have now been relocated from Key West to runway 35 right. Now by right-clicking on the map screen and clicking on the instrument, we are back to the main instrument panel. This concludes this training video. Thank you for watching.